Tired of juggling multiple payment processors and confusing transaction fees? You're not alone. As a business owner, streamlining your payment system is crucial for a smooth and efficient operation. Today, we're diving deep into Vagaro's payment processing options. Stick around to discover if Vagaro offers the flexibility and features you need to get paid effortlessly. Vagaro is a popular all-in-one business management software designed specifically for the wellness industry. From scheduling and client management to marketing and reporting, Vagaro offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you run your business more efficiently. But what about getting paid? Accepting payments seamlessly is vital for any business, especially in the fast-paced world we live in. Clients expect convenient and secure payment options, and as a business owner, you need a system that minimizes processing fees and maximizes your profits. So, let's explore the different payment methods Vagaro supports and see how they can benefit your business. Payment methods: credit cards and debit cards. Vagaro seamlessly integrates with major credit card processors like Stripe and Square. This allows you to accept all major credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Clients can easily pay online through the client portal, during booking, or even after their appointment. Look for features like online tipping, automated recurring payments for memberships, and easy-to-understand transaction fees. Online payments. Vagaro's online payment gateway makes it incredibly convenient for clients to pay for services in advance. This not only streamlines your cash flow but also reduces no-shows. You can send automated payment reminders to clients, minimizing late payments and improving your revenue. Mobile payments. Embrace the mobile-first world with seamless mobile payment options. Integrate with popular mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for a quick and secure checkout experience for your clients. Other payment options. While credit cards are the most common, Vagaro may offer other payment options depending on your specific needs and the integration options available. Check for support for things like cash payments. If you still prefer to accept cash, Vagaro may have features to track cash payments within the system. Check payments. While less common, some businesses still accept checks. Gift cards. Offer gift cards to your clients and easily track their usage within the Vagaro system. Financing options. If you offer financing plans to your clients, explore if Vagaro integrates with any financing providers. Benefits of using Vagaro for payments. Streamlined payments. Say goodbye to manual payment processing and hello to a streamlined system. Accept payments online, in person, or through mobile devices with ease. Reduced no-shows. Require prepayments for appointments to minimize no-shows and ensure you get paid for your time. Increased revenue. Offer convenient payment options to your clients, making it easier for them to pay and increasing your chances of getting paid on time. Improved cash flow. Receive payments quickly and efficiently, improving your cash flow and helping you manage your finances more effectively. Enhanced security. Benefit from robust security measures to protect your clients' payment information and prevent fraud. Comprehensive reporting. Track all your transactions in one place with detailed reports on sales, revenue, and expenses. Tips for optimizing Vagaro payments. Choose the right payment processor. Compare the fees and features offered by different payment processors integrated with Vagaro to find the best option for your business. Set clear payment policies. Communicate your payment policies clearly to your clients to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. Optimize your online booking process. Make it easy for clients to pay online during the booking process. Send automated payment reminders. Reduce late payments and improve cash flow by sending automated payment reminders to your clients. Offer flexible payment options. Provide your clients with a variety of payment options to cater to their preferences. Addressing potential concerns. Transaction fees. Be aware of the transaction fees associated with each payment processor. Compare fees carefully and choose the option that offers the most competitive rates for your business. Security concerns. Ensure that you understand the security measures in place to protect your client's payment information. Technical issues. Be prepared for potential technical issues with payment processing. Have a backup plan in place in case of any disruptions. Ready to simplify your payment processing and boost your revenue? Visit the Vagaro website to learn more about their payment processing options and find the perfect solution for your business. Explore their pricing plans and see how Vagaro can help you streamline your operations and grow your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.